Hello Pisces! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 4th to August the 6th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. Nagla-live din po tayo doon sa Babaylan TV. No? So kung hindi nyo naman naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? Ngayon, kung hinahanap niyo po itong isang segment dito po sa YouTube na X-Files, hiniwalay ko na lang po, no? Nilagay natin sa Facebook. So, bakit? Baka kasi ako pa ang madali, no, sa violations of yung creating, may nag-away kasi, no, and actually, that's one of the parang restrictions, no, ni YouTube, bawal mag-away, nag-away. Bakit kamo? Kasi, yung isa, still caring about the exes, so tinitignan itong updates ng ex. So, ito namang isa, no, you should move on, blah blah, nangialam doon kung ano yung sinabi. And nasasaktan pa rin naman, no, kasi nga, still loves the person. So, ayun, nag-away sila para maiwasan natin yung mga ganon, no. Ginawa niyo pang battleground ito, no, doon na lang. So, para at least sa Facebook, nandoon po yung mga may excess, di ba? O, di, nasa isang bubble kayo, no? At least nandoon yung mga may gustong i-check yung mga exes doon po sa Facebook, no? That's Babaylan TV. Magsimula na tayo, okay? So nakita natin dito, Pisces, parang parang meron na ditong pagtanggap, embrace of what's really happening in the 3D world, no? Parang sa'yo, maluwag na sa dibdib ko itong nangyayari na hindi talaga maayos at feeling ko hindi ko na maayos itong relationship. I feel like I am walking away with grace and parang pinagpapa sa Diyos ko na itong kung anong pwedeng mangyari, di ba? Um, Hindi na para lumaban pa, no? Parang may sumusubok na. Pero hindi naman ako makikipag-break, no? Hindi ko naman siya sasabihin na ayoko na. Pero parang inaantay ko na lang itong relationship na mag-flatline, no? Kumbaga sa ospital, itong relationship is nasa ER. So nakatingin ka na lang, inaantay mo yung flatline. Hindi para magkaroon ng euthanasia, no? Para tanggalin ko, ako yung papatay, no. I'm actually waiting. Kumbaga meron na dito talagang pagtanggap, no? And I am doing this with grace. I feel like I'm not bad-mouthing the person. In fact, no, binibuild ko rin itong, kumbaga, reputation ni person na this is actually a mutual decision na parang ang taas ng respect, no, sa tao and sa connection na okay, sige, I'm somewhat, no, hindi kasi natin masasabi once we are already crossed the bridge, no, pero parang sa'yo, feeling ko ready na ako, ayan, or parang feeling ko okay, kasi ang hirap isalba nitong relationship, ang hirap isalba nitong marriage, ang hirap isalba kasi hindi lang tayo, no, itong kasali sa relasyon. There may be some families involved, other people, it could be friends, no, co-workers. Hindi naman siya third party romantically, no. Third party pa rin naman siya in a way kasi nga this relationship is consisted with, mga ayoko sabihin pakialamera, no? Kasi when you say pakialamera, they're just there to break, no, the relationship. Pero kasi they value, let's say, si person A, yung friends niya, ayaw kay person B. Hindi naman natin masisisi kasi they all come from the place of love and protecting person A, no? Pero it should be person A and person B's business lang. Pero ayun nga, meron talagang mga ganun na damay, no? Or hinayaang madamay with the hangman and the ace of wands. Especially, parang meron dito na may reputation ito si person B na, ay naku, maloloko yan, no? Naku, kilala ko yan, si ganito niloko niya. So may mga marisol, merong mga, kumbaga, nagbabad mouth, no, kay person B. Itong si person A, pinagtatanggol. That's actually okay. And that's good, no? The Empress and the Queen of Pentacles. I also felt like bakit merong mga nire-reto-reto, no? Dito ka kay ganito, dito ka kay ganyan. So, for a few numbers of you, um, this might be a taboo, no? Pero hahapyawan ko lang, no? Kasi ito yung nakikita ko. Baka pina-practice dito sa traditions, sa religion, itong, um, ano yung tawag doon? Yung arranged marriage, no? Yung ganyan. Again, wala tayong against doon if that's tradition, if that's religion, no? Hindi natin pwedeng diktahan yan. So, yun lang yung parang nagiging issues, no? Apart from that, no, siguro yun na, meron ng mga marisol. Ay, hindi maganda ang pamilya niyan, bla bla bla, no? Yung madaming sinasabi. So, pati yung person mo na damay with the Knight of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, it also makes me feel na parang ang gusto ng mga tao dito is nandoon tayo, hindi natin again masisisi dahil they come from a place of love. I keep on saying that. Na parang gusto lang namin na maayos ang buhay mo. So parang may ibang nagpapatakbo, no, ng buhay mo. Merong ibang mga tao dito na parang mas alam nila kung ano yung tama para sa iyo, no? Um, Hindi ko sinasabing tama yon. Yun lang yung nasa reading. With the Two of Cups and the Seven of Swords. With the Judgment and the Page of Cups. So, I feel like meron ditong nakakita din kasi. May proof. I believe that for a few numbers of you, pinakitaan kayo ng pictures, no? Na they went out with someone, that the person B is actually doing something behind your back, no? Um, Mahirap, no? And I think that you're giving other people a chance to, yeah, siguro tama kayo, pero wag naman nating iwang gula-gulanet, no, yung tao. Let's pay respect doon sa tao. I'm going to give, kung kunyari ako si person A, I'm going to give you a chance na, yes, sige, sabihin natin, sige, tama kayo na this person might not gonna be good for me, pero tao yan, wag nating bigyan ng, kumbaga, wag natin durugin, no? Wag nating apakan, yurakan ng kanyang pagkatao. So, that's actually a good heart of yours, no? Na, I think that's person A is Pisces. Kasi, no, hindi naman sa pagiging bias, ganun talaga ang nature, no, ni Pisces. So, tignan natin ang emotion. Now, this could be your emotion or your person's emotion. You light up my world and I wish you were next to me. So, madami ng issues, no? Parang pakiwari ko, hindi na kayo masyado nagkikita, nag-uusap, because of yung mga hindrances from your connection. Let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Um, Ura-urada baka kapwa Pisces, no? Sagittarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Cancer, Virgo, yeah. So this is your reading, no, Pisces. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that's Babaylan TV. Nandun din po tayo nagla-live. So, kung di nyo naman maabutan yung live, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pisces. Kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, no, sa description box, nandun po yung aking link. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form sa pinakababa. Babang baba. No? Nandun din po yung information, how much per question, a QR code, the name, the number, no, for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, no, that's actually a discounted price. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, no, nandun naman po sa QR codes yung mga information sa pinakababa, meron po mga labels yon, no. Tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no. So, nasa description box din po itong mga fake accounts na pwede nyo i-report. So please report, screenshot your report and send it to the email, no, designated para po makabunot tayo ng lucky winner for a free personal reading. And when I said free, that's actually free of charge. No, um, if you still care about your exes, doon po, no, sa Facebook nyo na tignan para iwas ang away. Ayan. So this is your reading, Pisces. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.